Hey guys, welcome to eComHardy.com. This is Hardik Patel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to downgrade your WordPress version of your WordPress website. So here on the admin area, if you see, if I go to dashboard, and under the dashboard, if I select updates, you can see the current version of the WordPress, which is, in my case right now when I'm recording, it's 6.3.1. Somehow if I want to downgrade the WordPress version, I simply go to Google and type in WordPress version and select the release archive. Here I can see the current version versus the previous version. So the previous version of the WordPress was 6.3 before 6.3.1. So I want to downgrade to 6.3. In your case, if you want to go even further down to 6.1.1 or 3 or 2, you can select those. So in my case, I want to downgrade to 6.3. I simply copy the version code. Now I go to plugins, add new, and here in the search bar, I simply search for WP Downgrade. And when I search for WP Downgrade plugin, the first plugin will come up, which says WP Downgrade Specific Core Version by Tiger, or if I am pronouncing right. Simply install now, and once you install this plugin, simply activate this plugin. And once the plugin is activated, simply go to the left hand side panel, go under the settings, here select the WP Downgrade and paste the code, the version number you copied from here. So paste it here and then save changes. Once you save changes, here you have to select up or downgrade core. Simply click on that button, and once you click on it, it will direct to this update page. Simply select reinstall version 6.3 or whatever version you have selected. Once you do so, WordPress will start downgrading to the selected or applied version. You can see WordPress has successfully downgraded to version 6.3 I selected, and now that's how you downgrade the version number. Hope you enjoy watching this video, guys. If you feel this video really help you, then please thumbs up to this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates and amazing videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.